How to use templates in Reelshot. Want a quick way to create stylish videos? Here's how to use templates in Reelshot. First, open the app on your device and tap the Templates tab on the main screen. Browse categories or search for a style that fits your video idea. Tap a template to preview it, then hit Use Template to start editing. Replace the placeholder clips or images with your own content by tapping the placeholders. Customize text, stickers, and music as you like, then save or export your video. Have you ever tried templates before? What's your favorite style? Let us know about it in the comments below. Use templates for quick content when you are short on time but want a professional look. And that's how you can use templates in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.